tell you what, that guy works slower than molasses. It's horrible. Probably should be like this way, right?
And keep it straight.
Keep it straight. There we go. This is gonna be the fun part here.
We're just buttoning up a couple of things on the car right now. A little bit of wiring here, a little bit wiring there. We got really fed up with the weather up here in the Northeast and decided we're gonna take a trip down south where the tracks don't really close. Hopefully we can get a couple of test hits in before we get kicked out.
Woo! Let's go racing, boys!
Our first pass with the car, we ran on wastegate pressure, 5 pounds of boost. Just breaking her in nice and easy, did an oil change right afterwards. Just making sure that she'll run down the road straight. Second run of the day, we loaded up the transmission, did a little bit of brake boosting, and we're starting to question why we were relieving so slow. So we went back to the pits after this run and measured the rear end and took a look at it. Wow. We couldn't get any worse luck. It ended up being 273s from like a town car or something.
Factory Street, you're up next. No box, roll down the hill. No box, roll down the hill. 70, roll them down the hill. I need Super Pro, back to the lane. Just 6 of you left, we need you back to the lane.
So we brought the car home and ripped the 273 gears out. Grabbed a set of 373s and threw those in the rear end. Hopefully she'll launch a little bit harder now.
SSG.